Welcome to the University of Maine system. We'd like to take this opportunity to introduce you to an important University of Maine system program. The University of Maine System Data Governance program, with representatives from each campus and functional area, was launched in 2017 to emphasize the importance of data integrity and to formalize processes related to the management and usage of institutional data. The data the University of Maine system maintains concerning its students, employees, and finances. During the summer and fall of 2017, the program developed processes and workflows to effectively address data issues throughout the UMS and began to identify and address data issues. What is data governance? University of Maine System Data Governance provides guidance in the form of workflows and frameworks for reporting, resolving, and reviewing inaccuracies in our data. Why data governance? We enable proper use of our data to reach our ultimate goal, improved system-wide processes in support of our students, faculty, and staff. And finally, who is data governance? Data governance is everyone. Good and bad data impacts every one of us at every level, so we need input from everywhere to make this work. Institutional data is a key asset that requires investment and protection. As with any asset, it is used best when stewarded actively. To be successful, our data governance process requires input of all stewards of our data. This includes stewards who have knowledge of our data, stewards who help ensure the safety and reliability of accessing our data, as well as stewards who help us learn new ways to think about and use our data in strategic and ethical ways. In short, and again, we need the active participation of many to support this vision. Strategic and ethical use of our data will create a culture of data-informed decisions that benefit the entire University of Maine system. As depicted in this framework, the cornerstones of effective data governance are its people. It's everyone using the available technology and architecture to promote the values of transparency, collaboration, and responsibility in supporting data as an institutional asset. The footing of the foundation is communication, which is necessary in all directions to ensure that issues are being reported and properly addressed, and solutions are being disseminated throughout the entire University of Maine system. The pillars stand firmly on the communication footing and represent some of the main reasons why data governance is important: compliance and mitigation, security and access, integrity and consistency, and standards and policies. All of this is achieved by the active stewardship of our data and together culminates in a culture of data-informed decisions. The Data Governance Council serves as the executive governing body, reporting to and advising the UMS Chancellor on issues pertaining to data governance throughout the University of Maine system. The Data Advisory Committee is comprised of representatives from across UMS institutions and functional areas who are all stakeholders in data integrity. The committee collects issues, discusses solutions, and recommends policies and procedures regarding the stewardship of UMS data. The data governance issue resolution process, depicted in this diagram, begins with the submission of a data issue to the Data Advisory Committee. Submissions are prioritized and workgroups are created to further study those issues of highest priority. Together with stakeholders from across the UMS, each workgroup investigates the issue and creates a proposal for the Data Advisory Committee and the Data Governance Council. Once a proposal has been approved, the workgroup engages all stakeholders to develop and implement a resolution. This process ensures a highly collaborative approach from beginning to end. Workgroups are the heart of the issue resolution process. They are created for each issue once a proposal is approved. Subject matter experts are included from all functional areas across all 7 institutions. The workgroup then holds regular meetings to collaboratively and inclusively resolve the data issue. In support of these workgroups, a comprehensive institutional data dictionary is being assembled in which terms, fields, reports, and tools are collaboratively documented to ensure common understandings and transparency. This is also where you will find documentation of the processes for new procedures implemented by each workgroup. If you would like more information on any work group, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can see descriptions of current issues in our annual report and on our data governance website at maine.edu/data-governance. Data governance is not a static process. We are continually working to improve processes and effectiveness by creating annual goals that further our efforts. The ultimate purpose of our data governance program is improved data quality in support of data-informed decision making. The Data Advisory Committee and our work groups increase cross-functional collaboration using a wide variety of communication tools at their disposal. As data governance becomes part of our culture, data awareness and literacy improves. And as our documentation grows, the stewards we enlist to maintain data integrity are better supported. Thank you for your time today. We hope you can feel some of our excitement about the prospects of a vibrant data governance process. It is a huge undertaking that requires all of us, but we are off to a great start and have created a solid footing. Join us.